Welcome to another successful project. A 7 by 11 meter Nutec home, proudly built on a solid concrete slab. This modern house includes 2 spacious bedrooms, a full bathroom, a laundry room, and an open-plan kitchen and lounge area, designed for comfort, efficiency, and affordability. Nutec construction is changing the way South Africans build homes. It offers a perfect blend of durability, cost-effectiveness, and speed of construction. Unlike traditional brick houses, Nutec homes go up in a fraction of the time, without compromising on strength or style. Nutec boards are made from cement and fiber, making them tough, long-lasting, and resistant to rot, pests, and moisture. That means less maintenance over time and more peace of mind for you. This house sits on a concrete slab, which provides excellent stability, insulation, and protection against damp. It's ideal for both rural and urban environments. Nutec homes are also eco-friendly. Their production has a smaller environmental footprint compared to traditional bricks, and they're fully recyclable. And let's not forget safety. Nutec is fire-resistant, giving you extra protection for your family and your belongings. Whether you're building your first home, adding rental units, or developing a holiday retreat, Nutec is a smart investment. We completed this entire build in just a few weeks, saving our client both time and money. From the design phase to the final coat of paint, we focus on quality, efficiency, and your vision. So, if you're ready to build, expand, or invest, talk to us today. Let's bring your dream home to life. The Nutec way.